Morning students, in the last lecture we complete chapter 1. In chapter 1 we discuss with electric current and heating effect of electric current. Okay, in chapter number 2 we discuss with magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, now the question is, what is magnet? Magnet is an object which attracts small pieces of iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, etc. Okay? Magnet comes in various shapes according to their uses. Okay? For example, bar magnet used in laboratory. Okay? U-shaped magnet used in circuits, etc. Okay? Now, what is bar magnet? A bar magnet is a long rectangular piece of uniform cross section. Once again, bar magnet is a long rectangular piece of uniform cross section which attracts small pieces of iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, etc. Okay? Now, a magnet has two poles. A magnet has two poles. How many? Two poles. Because a freely suspended magnet always rests in north and south direction. A freely suspended magnet always rests in north and south direction. So, magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Okay? The pole towards north is called north pole. The pole towards south is called south pole. Okay? Like poles means south south or north north repel each other. Okay? Unlike poles like north and south attract each other. Okay? Now the magnetic field. What is magnetic field? This is space around a magnet. Space around a magnet in which a magnetic force is experienced by magnetic materials like iron, steel, etc. Okay, is called magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is from north pole to south pole, but outside the magnet. Okay, outside the magnet the direction is from north pole to south pole. Okay, now to represent a magnetic field, some lines are required, but we cannot see the magnetic field. So, magnetic field lines are the imaginary lines. Which represent the magnetic field pictorially, as like we are represented by our pictograph, by our photograph. Okay, then magnetic field lines are represented by the magnetic field lines pictorially. Okay, magnetic field lines are also known as magnetic line of forces. Okay, thus we have some properties of magnetic field lines. First property of magnetic field lines is they start from North Pole. They start from North Pole and end on South Pole. But outside the magnet, as we have, they start from north and end on south. Outside the magnet. Inside the magnet, they start from south and end on north. We can see from the diagram. Okay. Now the second property of magnetic field lines is magnetic field lines form the closed loop. You can see from the diagram. This is an extension of first property, that magnetic field lines start from north to south outside and inside south to north. So they form closed loop. Okay. Now the third property is the tangent. Tangent. Okay. At any point on magnetic field line gives the direction of magnetic field. Okay. Tangent gives the direction. Okay. The fourth property is two magnetic field lines do not intersect. This is because if they intersect, then at one point two direction of magnetic field, and this is impossible. This is impossible. If this possible, then this is not right. Okay. So for this is not possible. Okay. Now the fifth property is set of parallel lines. A set of parallel lines represent uniform magnetic field. A set of parallel lines. If we have a set of parallel lines, then we have uniform magnetic field. Magnetic field is represented by B, capital B. Okay. Now the last property is more crowded. More crowded magnetic field lines represent strong magnetic field. If there is a crowded magnetic field lines, then it is a strong magnetic field. Okay. Now the compass. What is compass? A compass is a teeny pointed magnet, a small magnet in the form of pointer. In the form of pointer, which can turn freely in horizontal plane. It works only in horizontal plane. Okay. It is used to find the direction of magnetic field. Okay. Now the pattern of magnetic field of bar magnet can be plotted by two methods, with the help of compass or with the help of iron filings. Put the compass in the way that we get magnetic field line. Then we have the pattern of magnetic field lines for bar magnet. Okay. Put the compass as shown in figure. Okay. Now the second method is with the help of iron filings. Iron filings is spread around a bar magnet. Iron filings arrange themselves in the form of magnetic field lines. Okay. Now the magnetic field of Earth. For this, a freely suspended magnet always rests in north to south direction. When a freely suspended magnet rest in north to south direction, this suggests that Earth itself behaves like a magnet because a magnet attracts other magnets. Okay?